Gold USD is the most straightforward and simple pair you can trade, but the problem is most people have developed a wrong mindset about trading XAUUSD. It is volatile, it doesn't mean it is dangerous. It is very easy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Gold USD like a pro, completely for beginner. That means I'll start from scratch and explain everything you need. All you have to do is to sit down, watch this video to the end without missing any parts, and you will thank me later. Before you jump in, I am Jay Merije. I'm a gold trader and I teach people how to trade gold as well. So if you want to learn how to trade gold and other currency pair, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video like this. And don't forget to join our community on Telegram using the link in the description of this video so you can learn more trading tips and get free signals completely for free. So now let's jump in. Before you start trading gold USD, there are two things you must set up, and the first one is set your mind ready. Gold USD is one of the most volatile pairs. So first of all, you must learn how to control yourself. You must learn how to be disciplined. You must learn how to be patient. Without three of these things, you will make a lot of losses in the markets. Gold USD is one of the most volatile pairs. So without enough care, you will make a lot of losses. The second thing you have to keep in mind and set up is a good broker. Gold USD is supposed to come with a tight spread. That's why I recommend Exness. Exness is one of the best broker you can use. Not only that, it is reliable for everyone from any country. So if you want to start using Exness, make sure you click the link in the description of this video, sign up with your email address. After signing up, confirm your email address and do your KYC verification using your NIN or any national ID card. After doing your KYC verification, you can start trading. I recommend you start with demo. From scratch, you will reach the top. And that is the two things you have to set up. First, I repeat, is your mindset, and two is a broker. Set up these two things and you're good to go. Now let's see how to trade gold like a pro. So this strategy is called F and R zone. Some people call it support and resistance. Some people call it breakout and retest. Whatever you call it, just know that it is areas where buyers and sellers are positioned to execute their trades. So for you to understand these F and R zones and how they work, first you need to understand the basic trending market. Understand that in uptrend we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But in downtrends, we have lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. So that means in uptrend, the market is not expected to break higher lows, higher lows. So whenever a market started breaking higher lows repeatedly, just start positioning yourself for downtrend. But in downtrend, the market is not expected to start breaking lower highs, and started creating higher high and higher high. That means in downtrend, if the market started creating higher high, higher high, higher high, start positioning yourself for uptrend. First of all, let's see how to create this higher high, and lower high in uptrend. Then we see how to create lower high, and lower low in downtrend. That is for you to understand these F and R zones. So let's see how to do it. So in uptrend, first the market will create high, now create a low, now break the high, but when the market will start coming back, it will be unable to break this low. It may succeed in breaking this high, but in uptrend the market is not permitted to break this low. So it can either stop here or stop here. So the market cannot or will be unable to break this low. So the market will either stop here, okay, and break this high again. Now it may come here and stop, and it may come here and stop as well. Okay, so understand that if the market comes here and stop, that means it's retested this high before going up. So we can have something like this. Okay, so sometimes market will not stop here. The market will either stop here or here. So if the market stopped here, maybe if the market can stop here. If the market stop here, understand that the markets have retested this high. So that's why you call it breakout and retest, or F and R zone. So once the market tested this place, it may come down here to test this particular one again before bouncing up. Okay, so just understand that in the uptrend, the market creates series of higher highs, and higher low. Okay, but in downtrend, the reverse is the case. In downtrend, the market is not expected to break these highs. Okay, the market can break these lows, but it is not expected to break these highs. So we may have something like this. First, the market will create low, then go up, create high, then break this low. Okay, so the market can break this low, but coming up, it can break this low, but it will be unable to break this high. The highest the market can do is to stop here. Okay, so if the market stopped here, understand that the market have created F and R zone here. Okay, because it's retested this one. But if the market stopped here, understand that the market retested this one. So there are two possible things: either the market retest this one or retest this one. But if there is another F and R zone inside or in between this one and this one, then the market will stop there. Okay, so before breaking the this lower low. That means in downtrend, the market is not expected to print series of what? Highs. But in uptrend, the market is expected to print series of highs. So now you understand the basic trending markets. Okay, so this is uptrend, okay, and this is downtrend. So first of all, you have to understand that most of the time, gold prints uptrend. So the basic structure market you'll be expecting on gold USD is this. But if peradventure gold started printing lower lows, that means we are in downtrend. So you also have to understand that sometimes the XAUUSD, that is gold, can range. So when gold is ranging, that means it is bouncing up from here, and here. So this one is ranging market. First of all, you have to understand this clearly before you know how to trade F and R zone. Now you understand it, right? Let's see how to trade F and R zone. For you to trade XAUUSD effectively using F and R zones, you must first of all understand what is psychological levels. Psychological levels are round numbers. Round numbers like 2880, 2890, 2850s. These are round numbers. Round numbers are expected to print out supply or demand zones. These are also where hedge funds, big market participants, place buy or sell orders. So the market will normally react to these levels. So for you to trade XAUUSD effectively, you must add psychological levels to it. Okay, so that is, don't trade psychological levels in isolations, and don't trade F and R zones in isolations. Don't also forget about risk management. We'll talk about this one maybe in our next video or at the end of this video. First, let's see how to use these F and R zones to make big profits trading XAUUSD. Remember what I told you about gold printing series of highs, and series of higher lows. Okay, so as you can see from here, we have high, 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 and here we have higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This means that we are in uptrend. Okay, so in uptrends, all you have to do is keep looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame on gold USD. First of all, let's see how to trade F and R zones. Here you must see that the market created high here, now came down and broke this high. Okay, so when the market broke this high, you can see the market tested exactly to that high. Okay, exactly to that high. If we draw our horizontal line, here, you see it is exactly at that point. Okay, so also here you will see that market created high, moved up, then came back to that high. Okay, if you draw horizontal line here again, you see it is exactly at that high. Okay, just move it, you see it is exactly at that high. Okay, so now you can also see the same example here. The market printed high here again, then came back, retested to that high. If you draw a horizontal line here again, you see it is exactly at that high. Here is it, exactly at that high. So how do you trade these F and R zones? Whenever you see market break a high, just expect the market to retest to it. XAUUSD is one of the pairs that have traded so far, and it makes this movement most of the time. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame. If we also move to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, you will also see the same thing. Now let's move. So here is 1 hour time frame on gold USD. As you can see here, gold moved up, came down, broke it, then came back and tested that height that it has broken. Okay, so if you draw horizontal line here, you see it is exactly at that high. So if you draw horizontal line here, you see it is exactly, it is almost exactly at that height. Okay, here again you see the market made a height, then break it and retested exactly at that height. Okay, so if you draw our horizontal line here, you see it is exactly at that height that market have made. Okay, so here is it, the market created the high here, break it, then retested exactly at that height. Okay, this is called F and R strategy. So this is F and R strategy. Understand that I said you should not trade this in isolation. Okay, so you have to add other confluence like psychological levels. Psychological levels, I said, are round numbers. Okay, so if you also go to 15 minutes time frame, you can see exactly the same thing. Let's go. So here is 15 minutes time frame. First, remember this, that is just this. Okay, so here we have it, markets made high here, market made high here, then broke it, retested to it, broke it again, retested to it, broke it again and retested to it. Now it broke this one without retesting it. See sir, it broke this one without retesting it. So after going up, it's sticking back to that high and tested it before moving up. As you can see, if we draw our horizontal line here, you see it is exactly at that high. Okay, so now what do you notice about this one? Market created high, then broke it with big strong bullish candle, then sluggishly retested to it. And as you can see here, we have some quartz round number here. This is 2860. Okay, so if we zoom it very clearly, you can see we have psychological levels here, 2860 around it. Okay, this is psychological level. Okay, so remember what I said about psychological level. You can 2860 is a psychological level, 2850 is also a psychological level. In fact, 2855 is a psychological level, 2865 is a psychological level. Understand that psychological levels end with 0 or 5. Okay, so anytime you see 2860 or 2840, 2830, 2730, they are psychological levels. Okay, like I said earlier, we have psychological level here, we have psychological level here, and we also have F and R zone. That's the breakout here, then the test to it. So you can see combination of this F and R zone and psychological level will give you big move in the market. So if you took this trade because of it, you see you will make big profits just by trading using this 15 minutes time frame. This is F and R strategy combined with psychological level. Trust this strategy and you will make a lot of money in trading gold USD. And don't forget, you can also use this strategy in other markets and also in B2C. Okay, so that's how to trade using F and R strategy. Don't forget, I will drop the link to our Telegram community in the description of this video. Now you can see you can use F and R strategy and psychological level to make big profits if you trade XAUUSD, BTC USD or other currency pairs. So understand that no one have 100% winning rate in trading. No matter what you trade, no one have 100% winning rate. Even in your normal business, you can't make profits all the time. So that is why you need effective risk management. Don't forget, risk management is essential to become a profitable trader. I repeat, risk management is very important. So this is the end of this video, and don't forget to join our community using the link in the description of this video, because I normally share trading tips that can help you become profitable. Don't forget to show love by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop more videos like this. Please share this video with your loved ones or others who want to learn how to trade XAUUSD. That's will encourage me to drop more videos like this for you. For now, goodbye, good luck. See you at the top. Bye.